Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalampong Yelekai 28th Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arajar Arpulai, West Khasi Hills, Yakabalapan Long the Kashlem Trekam Jongka, District Sports Officer Nongstan, Kalapoino Shakabakut Hakasingi Todi and Katayo, Hakabaka School St.Peter'S Higher Secondary School Pendengray, Kalayoban Korea Kanam, Kum Kaladu, Hadian Maklayoban Koru Yaka Best Team, Hakaliang ki khanak shanrang mat kan thai na padang ki arpun riuteli ki skol ki balawan bani shimenta menta usnam shu hakati ka singi ka nam best athlete saki under 14 shanrang la yo ban khor do boben chal wanyang na ka St. Peter's High Secondary School under 14 kan thai la yo da ka phiba pensuk kharjana na ka Anderson High Secondary School ya ka ju kanam ki under 16 shanrang la yo ban khor do Nikki Mausor na ka Anderson High Secondary School Haki under 16 kena kan thai la yo ban khor da ka Trisha Nongbri na ka Sip Singh Memorial Government High Secondary School kat ba haki under 18 ki shanrang la yo ban khor da Ushai Parlin Nong Sit na St. Peter's High Secondary School but haki under 18 kan thai la yo ban khor da ka Alba Mary So Shang na ka St. Peter's High Secondary School shu ya ka nam best march pass la yo ban khor da ka GNB Nongstan Laban kedawang ni bahaka ni Kalampong 28th Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Arajar Arpulai kidan hadu Shihajar Arngut ki khana ki ba shimbenta haki lightly ki kerdan kata haki under 14 under 16 but under 18 na ki arpun riuteli ki school hagate ka singi ka kong B Block ADC West Khasi Hills kalalongkom ka kong San hagi jingdon langru ka kong LSEM District School Education West Khasi Hills Nongstan Hajingdon Langru Uba PB War Nongbri Assistant Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya Kakong Balarinas EM District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills Nongstan Bat kiwe bala samru iki kusnam repair
Taking the salute now is JNV Nongston with R. Vivian C. Kurkalang in the placard, Bankit Bonglang Nongput in the flag, and Mary Jean Nongsit as the commander. Their motto is pure knowledge is Brahma. With the placard bearer Nathaniel Solang, the flag bearer Oda Wansha Sanglin, and the commander Wan Lambok Yautmyo. These young minds are in the school with the motto that says, enter to grow in body, mind and spirit, depart to serve better your God, country and fellow men. And the school following Anderson is Borsing Memorial Secondary School from Nongpendeng Nongston, a very close neighbor to this venue. With the placard bearer, abilities Solang Pio, the flag bearer Albert Nongsiang, commanded by Andy Franson Solang Pio, with a motto, ignite the light and shine. Approaching now to take the salute is Bethel Presbyterian Secondary New Nongston with the placard bearer Napi Saman Lingdo, the flag bearer Bantelang Wanyang, led and commanded by Teiborlang Soshang. They live with the motto knowledge, perseverance, and honor. And this is Giri Memorial Secondary School, all the way from Porla, with the placard bearer Saralin Nongput, the flag bearer Banistar Bla, commanded by Pinshai Bor's aim with the motto, educate to serve. Taking the salute now is Don Bosco Secondary School, Mauklam, a neighbor of this place, with the placard bearer Nita Shah.
The entire district sports team of West Khasi Hills district for this entire 3-day program, for the organization and for bringing out so many participants. As I am told, there are 26 schools from the district who have participated, with 1,002 participants in the various fields. So I congratulate each and every one of you who have participated in this program. For each of those who are in the different fields, for each of those schools who are here to participate, this is also a platform for selecting the athletes that will be taken to the state level. So I think, as has been information given to me by the district sports officer, this is also a platform for the different athletes to shine from the district level to the state level and perhaps even to the national level.